Welcome to the video. My name is Nick. I'm the owner of Launch Socials, and today Aiden, our client, is speaking with our customer success manager, Reese, about how he was successful with growing his followers, quitting his corporate job, and making a bunch of money online using the system that we gave him. Enjoy.
Yeah, so I went from making no money online, not believing myself, like being able to make money online, never posting a piece of content 10 months ago, to now I'm in Costa Rica with my wife and I'm posting content from here and I'm helping clients, I'm helping people get results and providing value online. And I turned it into a full-time job. And it's just like a passion project I get to wake up every single day and work on. And if you would have told me in 10 months, it took 10 months of me posting like 6 to 10 second videos every single day and I'd get here, like, why would I not be doing that?
Yeah, hey everyone. I'm here with Aiden, who's been with Launch for around about 10 months now. And, through the launch process has kind of like profoundly changed his life, right? So, you know, where were you when you first joined us?
Man, I was down bad. No, I had no idea how to make content. I had never posted I had posted a few reels online. Um, but just really didn't know what I was doing. I was working a job, that I enjoyed, but I always knew I wanted more out of my career and just knew it wasn't my future and I wanted to build myself out. So I just came in as a complete rookie.
Yeah, and dude, it was interesting as well because you were doing okay, right, with your real life job. You were personal training and you were doing like six figures or whatever with that, but
Yeah.
you've
Yeah. So
outgrown that right now and you're online like fully now or something. Am I correct?
yeah. Yeah. So I was working at a gym and obviously they were like scalping me off the top with percentages just because that's what it takes when you're a trainer in person. But I was doing about 150 to 160K in revenue for the gym there. And yeah, have pretty much completely replaced that income, actually made more and have time freedom, location freedom, like an absolute dream right now. So it's been wonderful.
Perfect, dude. How many followers were you at when you joined Launch?
I had 1,200 to start and it was all just like close friends and family.
1,200 and now you're 20?
Yeah, 24K.
20 and consistently making what, 10K a month with your
Yeah,
personal brand?
10K
Amazing.
rev. Yep. First month was 10.6K cash collected, so feels
Love
really
it,
good.
dude. Love it, man. Love it. And before launch, had you tried anything similar? What had you done before when it comes to like social media stuff?
Yeah, so I'd been making reels on my own. And I was paying an editor like 750 bucks a month, and they were just tanking. I was super proud of them. I was getting 6K views because I didn't really know the game, and was posting those, and I was posting maybe like one every 2 weeks, and was not growing at all. And that was kind of like my like starting point. And I'd always seen like Nick Rogers on Twitter. I'd seen him on Instagram. I was always very interested because I seen him get the results, and I was like, I remember I signed up for just one of his free trainings and he called me on the phone. I was like, oh, it's over. And so we talked and I was like, I got to join because I knew they get the results. I knew it'd all work out.
Yeah, I mean, dude, like the return on just talking about the ROI of like launch for you has been crazy for like 10 months as well.
Yeah,
Insane,
bro.
insane,
Yeah.
insane. And
Life. Go ahead. Sorry.
no, I was just gonna ask you, dude, like, speaking of like once you joined launch, what was the biggest change? Probably that happened with your brand, content, the way you sold, just all of that.
Mm. Yeah, I'd say the biggest change has been like the messaging. It's really given me the framework that I can use and not only use like just when I'm talking to you guys, but also like allowed me to recognize the patterns and learn what it takes to grow on social media and how to especially like curate an audience that loves you and loves your brand and post content that helps educate them and nurture them. Like that's been the biggest thing.
Yeah.
It's a repeat framework. I mean, yeah.
And yeah, I mean, just to add to that, not only are you able to make content that performs, I know for you, it was amazing because like pretty much the first month, you kind of got on the calls, got your docs, and the first month you started to really grow, get a few bangers on the timeline.
Yeah.
But what's really cool is that you're able to make content that kind of suits you. Because some maybe I'm not gonna talk about anyone, but some agencies, some programs, they might want you to go like super viral or super, make cringe content or content that doesn't align with you. We basically say to, personal brands like yours and say, look, who do you really want to talk to? Who do you really want to help? Okay,
Yeah.
we're going to work around you, and we're going to give you like a framework for that. We're going to jump on calls with you. We'll create hooks with you. We'll help you push, and then when it's selling, when it comes to sales and selling, we'll help you with that and kind of sell in a way that's very organic, that isn't like kind of guru-y and actually like feels real.
Yeah.
So
That's I would say that's another one of the big things. It's like, and again, not talking about anyone specifically, but other content agencies seem to be very neutered, whereas Launch Socials is very free. It's very organic. A lot of people like to say organic content is dead, which, I mean, I don't know enough about the game to agree or disagree, but man, it's just very freeing seeing how you and Nick operate, and when you guys hop on calls and you write hooks with us, like that helps so much. And it's fun writing the content that like we want to write and expressing ourselves as creators. And it's like Launch has done a very great job of just like making the funnel to posting viral content where you can do both. You can go viral and you can talk about what you want to talk about.
yeah, dude, I think it is, and staying on the topic of this, but just in general, I think it's Nick has his own brand, does what he wants, has grown a successful brand. I've grown over 100K on YouTube and done a bunch of stuff with other brands, all saying what I want and doing what I want. Joe's exactly the same, right? He's built a bunch of pages exactly the same. And I think because like all of the coaches have kind of done it, but done it the right way, not like any like weird buying follows buying, kind of views tricks. Just straight up, this is how you rip organically. I think that's why our clients also you, but also hundreds of others, actually just constantly win doing what they want, and they're consistent because they're not being forced to kind of make stupid content.
Yeah. And
So
you guys, like you said, you guys all have skin in the game. It's nice talking to you guys. It's like comforting because we see the coaches in here. I mean, they're walking the walk, they're talking the talk. You guys are doing what we want to do, and you've done it before. So it's like when I come to you with a problem, or if I go to Nick with a problem, I know he's been there before and he solved it. So it's like, okay, I have like one-on-one 24/7 access to the experts. There's no reason you shouldn't grow.
yeah, awesome, dude. Wow, I like that, man. Super complimentary, good stuff. And wait,
Yeah.
so we spoke about briefly about it, but where you at now, and like what's next? What's coming in the future?
Yeah. So right now, just continuing to hammer in on my offer, posting content. I know we talked about it, but I want to grow into YouTube more, and just posting more long form, value driven content. And obviously, you guys have been a great help with just building that framework for me. Just building like a brand omnipresence, trying to be everywhere at once, providing as much value, talking to as many people as possible, continuing to hit the 10, 20, 30, eventually 50K months with my current offer and growing in that. And then I want to lean into an e-commerce brand and launching an electrolyte supplement. A lot of my followers, they're very dialed in with the electrolytes. They hear me all the time. So that's kind of in the works. That'll come probably 2025, just kind of a back end like passion project. And like, man, it's just such a blessing. Like growing all this stuff, I have zero doubts. I have full confidence. Like I know what it takes to grow a brand, and I know what it takes to like grow online. So yeah, shout out to you guys.
Yeah, dude, shout out to you as well. You put the work in, and I think you were just a great client because you came in, you were like, okay, these guys, they've got a bunch of 25 plus years combined between them, right?
Yeah.
Experience. Like, I'm just gonna follow what they say. They're gonna shape around my vision, and look what happens, right? Like you said, complete change your life. Like, so it worked so well with you that you're able to replace that six-figure real life job with
Yeah.
another one, one but on one
Yeah.
that's online. It's crazy.
Well,
Love it,
and the
dude.
funny thing is I work way less. Like I don't work, I like I don't spend as much time in person, obviously, but I also work significantly less. And I have way more leverage over my time and my earning potential, which is amazing just because I have more leverage of an audience. It's awesome. I love it.
Yeah. Well, leverage over earning potential, big one, very, very big one,
Yeah.
right? Like, when you're doing stuff in person, whether you can be in the top 10%, top 1%, it's just you've got to, your time is just messed up and you can't use it properly. But
Yeah.
online, so efficient.
It
So,
is
so
because it in person it's very one to one. You put
yeah.
in 1 hour of time and you get one denomination of income back versus online, you post one reel has a potential to reach. I know like we talked about in my case, the first month I had a reel do like 5.5 million views. Squat University posted it and it was like that's 1 to 5 million people. How much potential is in that? Right. It's just it's such an amazing process.
Wonderful, man. Good stuff. I guess the last question I'll ask you, if there was one thing that we could have done different, what would it
Mm.
be?
One thing you guys could have done different.
Yeah, if there is anything.
Yeah, I don't know. No, I really don't think so. Like this is by far, I've paid for a lot of mentorships. You know, I've had good mentors, I've had bad mentors, and this isn't, yeah, I would call this a mentorship. This is more like a community, like a family, bro. I really, I do love everyone
Yeah.
here, but no, this has been the most worthwhile agency I've ever joined, and I'll continue to work with you guys. I absolutely love the results. I love the community. I would say there's probably nothing you guys could have done different. As corny as that sounds, it's genuinely true.
No, we appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Another thing I'll add is like, bro, you've seen kind of my transformation just through my content. And
Yeah.
you would have told me I'd be posting content online nowadays. Like, it just blows my mind that I'm really doing this. Like, I'm posting content, I'm making a full-time income. Never in a million years would I have thought I'd be the guy on camera posting. Like, I always just thought, I don't know, I'd go be a doctor or do something generic, but no, just such a blessing, man.
Yeah, I mean, and you know, you said something there. It's for anyone watching this, it's real. Like that's the crazy.
Yeah.
Like it's real. Like I was the same. You know, for me, I started like what 10 years ago with the content stuff, and it was like, oh, when you have your first big month, and you're like, oh wait, it's real. And I just anyone watching
Yeah.
this, like, guys, you know, Aiden's the perfect example of that. I mean, is there anything you'd say to someone who's watching this, who's maybe on the fence about joining Launch?
Yeah, so I went from making no money online, not believing myself, like being able to make money online, never posting a piece of content 10 months ago, to now I'm in Costa Rica with my wife and I'm posting content from here and I'm helping clients, I'm helping people get results and providing value online. And I turned it into a full-time job. And it's just like a passion project I get to wake up every single day and work on. And if you would have told me in 10 months, it took 10 months of me posting like 6 to 10 second videos every single day and I'd get here, like, why would I not be doing that? It just blows my mind that it's crazy how fast the results can come when you just dig in, put in the work. And I mean, yeah, it's amazing. That's what I tell people. Just start today. Start posting today. Join Launch. Start posting today.
Perfect,
Such a
man.
blessing.
Dude, thank you so much, man. That's great. That's great.
Yeah. Let's
Awesome,
go.
man. So yeah, thank you very much, dude, for joining us. If people want to find you, by the way, where can they find you?
Yeah, Instagram at Aiden, AIDAN.Leon. And then YouTube, Aiden_Leon on there. So yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you check him out, guys. His brand's actually super solid. Super yeah. Anyway, dude, thank you again. And yeah, I'll speak to you later, dude.
If you guys liked Aiden's story and you're in a similar spot or you want to grow your social media and you want help, real help for people that don't want to be fake, don't want to be cringe online and want to do it the right way, go down below. You can work with us. You can get one of our free resources. You can watch the rest of the videos on our channel. Again, my name is Nick. I'm the owner of Launch Socials, and we'll see you in the next one.